Okay guys, so this company reached out to me called Hair. They reached out to me to do a review on their wig. And so I just wanted to show you guys me unboxing. Stay tuned and we're gonna get right into this video. The box literally came like this. I will say, coming from Amazon, I did expect it to be a box in a box, not just a box. Just wanted to say that. This is Bet You series. Be your own stylist, child. Be different. That's what she said on the box, all right? Come like this. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna open it up. Looks like that. The company name I don't see because they got so much packaging on top that I don't see the name. But I'll put the link in there. All right. This is the hair that it comes the way it comes. They even give you some clips for the back of your hair. A wig cap. Oh, here it is. I found the name of it. This is Unice. Straight up, that's literally what it says. Unice. Amazon in New York. Nice packaging. And I hope they didn't steal this girl that she actually works for them, because a lot of the companies, especially overseas, they just take people pictures and just use them. So hopefully this is not the case. They also gave me a 10% coupon that I'm gonna cover up for you guys with washing instructions. Now that's a big plus for me because most people don't put washing instructions on their hair. That's a plus. Let's see how this hair looks on me. Mind you guys, this is a short bob, so I'm super excited because I've never had a short bob before. A short bob wig. So this is how it looks, okay. Look like I'm gonna have to curl it. Ugh. Maybe not, I don't know. Alright, that's one thing I do hate. This is how it looks, so let's try it on, y'all. Let's see. So I already got my edges laid down, hunty. Let's see how this look on me. So I'm gonna try the middle part, because this is the middle part. Bruh. Oh my gosh, come on now, Doug. This better not be. I hope I don't look like Sally. I'm not trying to look like Sally. Yeah, we gotta have to fix this, honey. And hopefully I don't have to, because most of my wigs I be having to kind of shift them. But then I'm gonna be giving y'all Monica vibes. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let me stop playing. All right. All right, so this is how it looks. Ugh, I'm gonna have to bring the flat iron out. I didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna get my scissors, y'all, and we're gonna cut this buddy out. Show y'all what I do. That's how the inside of it looks. I'm gonna get the cut, and I'll let y'all see. Hopefully I can hold this right up, because usually I like to let it sit on my lap or put it on my wig cap. But I'll go ahead and cut it for y'all, for the viewers. Can y'all see that? I'll cut the hair. So I'm gonna put it back on my head. See, we got the little hump right there. We gotta fix that. It ain't too bad. It's cute. We just gotta fix that bop. Got a little bop there, you know. And I'm gonna have to probably put some what that is. I'm gonna put on here some mousse or something, because we can't have a little. They got a little bop right there, and I think that's all because of the packaging. But and I know. So this do look wiggy, so we're gonna try to slide it back. When your wigs look wiggy, just slide it back a little bit. And I probably need to, my little part here, need to separate that so it can look realistic. You know the little pieces right there? I don't know about y'all, but my hair coming right down here, if you can see, you can't tell. All right, so now I'm gonna have to, look like one side longer than the other, but we gonna see. Let me try to make something shape. Cause I want this to be straight, you know? Oh, look, somewhat decent. Okay, Bob. This might be my winter hair, girl. There you got a little bob. I'm trying to get it to go straight. I want my hair straight. I want it straight. I don't want the bob. So in order for me not to have the bob, y'all probably gonna have to wash this, because I didn't wash it yet. I'm gonna have to probably wash it. And then of course I gotta do something with this right here. But like I said, I think I'm gonna add some mousse. Some mousse on it. Or some lottie body. I mean lottie, is that lottie body? Lottie body. I said lottie body. And as y'all can see, girl, look at that. Come on, girl, when that wind blow. Oh, you better go ahead on, girl. I'm feeling it. But I gotta fix this bop though. I'm not feeling that box. Oh, it ain't too bad. Got a little bop in the back that we gotta fix. But all I gotta do is straighten that up. Just straighten it up. What y'all think? Hey, y'all. It's just me. Oh, I'm turning my thing and I actually need it. So I'm gonna put some oil on it because it do need a little oil. It's a little dry. It's solid. Solid as a rock. I'm feeling it. Ooh. Come a little closer. I can make that part a little bit more realistic. Let me tell y'all what I do. What you do is you get your little concealer. That concealer, girl. Okay, so the key to like having it realistic, I look like I put a little bit too much shine there, but it'll work. Cause make sure you all watch that, because when you put too much shine on these wigs and tracks and weaves and whatever, this will happen. It's like you know how you used to put the tracks in and then you put too much of that oil sheen on there back in the day. Yeah. Okay. So back to what I was saying. Key to it. See that right there? You need that brush, that ankle, whatever brush to get you right. So you're going to take a little bit of that concealer, girl. Not too much. Don't do too much. Because I remember one time I had went too far. Epic fail, y'all. Okay, so let's get it. Uh-oh. Kind of look like I got the hair. And you just bring that line back, child. See? Ooh. Bam. Bam. Ooh, girl. You look. It look real. It look real. Hey. Man, this would have been cute with my shot that I had last week. I had a photo shoot last week. And I've been waiting on this doggone hair. Amazon lost my package and I had to reorder. So I had to use my other hair. It's all good though. It's all good though. It's cute. I actually like it. Okay, I like it. I just had to put a little life to it. You know, you had to bring that. I didn't want to bring that iron out, but I had to bring that iron out. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like it? I like it, y'all. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't do everything to it, but this is just to show y'all what we working with. Hope you guys like it, cause I do. Hey, and I love it too. I didn't know I had pockets, but yeah. That way. Okay guys, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this hair, click the link below and get you some, girl. This is gonna be my winter wig, okay? I'm not gonna lie, when it came out that pack, I was a little worried. And remember I told y'all about when you be adding that sheen or shine or that some type of oil on it. This is what happens. You always get that one little piece. You gotta watch it. But I am gonna wash it and redo everything. But I am feeling this wig, hunty, okay? They get a 10 from me. I usually get 5 stars, but y'all get 10 stars from me, okay? Only because I guess it's something new and different. The packaging, like I said, I would have liked it inside of an Amazon box, not the box just, oh, here y'all go, you know. So the way it was delivered, it was as if somebody, like anybody could just open it and be like, oh, yeah, cute, girl, and just put it back in there. I did not appreciate that piece, so I would have appreciated if that it was in an actual Amazon bag or something. But other than that, it is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It was worth the wait. I'm still upset about this hair not being in my shot, but it's all good, baby. We're gonna make it work, honey. Okay? Love it. I've been loving my little wigs that have been coming in. Okay? Thumbs up. Click the link. Get you some.